Hello, and welcome to this respirator safety training. In this video, we will focus on two common types of respirators used in industrial environments: the half-face and the full-face respirator. These tools are essential for protecting workers from airborne hazards such as vapors, gases, and particulate matter. This is a half-face respirator. It covers the nose, mouth, and uses a replaceable cartridge or filter to remove contaminants from the air. These respirators are commonly used when eye protection is not required and when the exposure risk is moderate. This is the half-face respirator. This is the face piece. These are the straps. And these are just one type of cartridges that are used with the half-face respirator. Before donning a half-face respirator, you want to inspect for cracks and worn seals or missing components. Now we will demonstrate how to don a half-face respirator. First off, you want to cup the face piece under the chin. Pull the strap over your head. Tighten till secure. And then you want to perform a positive and negative pressure seal check. As demonstrated, you always want to perform a seal check before entering any hazardous area. An improper seal reduces protection and increases the risk. Now, let's look at the full face respirator. It provides complete face coverage, including eyes, offering both respiratory protection and impact resistance. This is essential when dealing with chemical splashes, toxic vapors, and high particulate loads. Now let's look at the three main components of a full face respirator. You have the largest piece, which is the face piece. You have the next piece, which is a twin cartridge adapter, but in this industry, you may hear a lot of people call it the dog bone. And then you have your vapor cartridges. These cartridges are color coded for different environments. Before donning any full face respirator, you always want to inspect for clarity of the visor. Make sure there's no cracks and scrapes and that you have visual clarity once you put this mask on. You also want to check the integrity of the rubber seal to make sure you will be able to get a positive seal when you do a pressure test. Now we will demonstrate how to don a full face respirator. When donning a full face respirator, the first thing you want to do is position it under your chin. Raise the face piece. Tighten the head straps evenly. Tighten each strap from the top to the bottom. And then you want to perform a seal check. You place your hands over the cartridges and you breathe in and then you breathe out to ensure that you have a full seal on the full face respirator. The full face respirator tends to be heavier, but it offers more to more hazardous environments. Half-face respirators are easier to wear and lighter, but do not protect the eyes. Full-face respirators provide more comprehensive protection, but can be bulkier and harder to communicate through. What could go wrong? Failure to use a correct respirator or not achieving a proper seal can lead to serious consequences, including chemical exposure, lung damage, and even fatal respiratory distress. Always follow your facility's respirator protection program and consult with the SDS for chemical-specific requirements. In the end, inspect your respirator before each use. Perform proper donning and seal checks. Use the right type for the job. Clean and store it correctly after use. Never use damaged or unauthorized equipment.